Hello guys, this is Angie. So I'm here again to we making a recipe, simple recipe for our breakfast today guys, and you can take for a snack also if you want this one. So we are gonna go and make the breakfast now guys. Okay, and just see here inside the video what I'm saying today guys. Okay, let's get go started. First thing we do, peeling this potato just one piece medium in size, then cut into cubes, and whatever desire you want, how that thickness so that you make faster to cook, and let it boil first to make soften for just 3 to 5 minutes. While waiting the potato soften, so next cut into cubes this shallot or small red onions. After that, check the boiling potatoes if ready. Strain the water and rinse. Set aside first. Next, we have a half cup of plain flour to make butter. Add pinch of salt, half teaspoon baking powder, and white pepper powder. Mix all the dry ingredients well. Leave it first. Then take a pan and pour some oil, heat up. Saute the diced onions few seconds. Add the diced sausages, make a bit brown. Then add the boiled potatoes, stir it. Then add the seasonings like cayenne, parsley, dried herb. Next, after that, beaten the eggs and mix with the butter. Mix properly as well, then pour into the potatoes. Make sure spread very well or coated evenly, and sprinkle some chopped coriander on top and flip up. Make more golden brown in color. And this is now the recipe. Is almost same like egg omelette or pizza style. Yeah, it's nice. Makes you longer full tummy. This meal nutritious and healthy. Okay guys, so that's it, my recipe. Very simple guys. So hope you like this recipe or video guys, and please give thumbs up, comments down below, and please subscribe guys. So thank you very much for always support me, my channel guys. So I always thankful, comes from my heart to say thank you to all of you guys, and always be kind in life, and don't forget to uh, comment, try to give comment also guys, so that I know what will you want. I make a video guys for you. So that's it, and the recipe or the ingredients I write down under the description box below. Just check it if you ever wanna try this guys. Okay, bye, see you next time again guys. Thank you for watching my video guys.